right, it is Saturday morning. We're at Bayview, and this little cutie here, if you'll notice, actually has some very, very small stools, and one is really, really runny, with two of these actually have a little bit of form. There's still more water than otherwise. According to the fecal, the food is being digested okay. The bad news is there's really only about 2 species of bacteria that I can see in there, and one is about 90+% diplococci. So this bird's actually close to septicemic threat. Things are going. We're going to send this one home with some antibiotics, and hopefully it'll make a difference at the weekend. This bird is already still trying to eat and gain weight, so that's a good sign. Matter of fact, let me get you back to your dish. Come on, let's go back to your dish. Step up. Come on, I'll get you back to it, because that's where you need to be, right in there. Yeah, you keep eating and drinking. Good bird. Okay, anyway, so we're going to send this guy home. Hopefully we'll get feedback come Monday, and it'll be all improved. So, all right, wish him luck.